Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making something cozy, something comforting, and straight from the heart of Italy. We're making a Tuscan white bean soup. It's simple, hearty, and packed with rustic flavor. Perfect for a chilly day. So go grab your favorite soup pot because it's time to get cooking. So in my soup pot here, I'm going to brown up a pound of Italian sausage, and then I'm going to add some carrots, celery, and onion. It's about a half of a cup of each. Then add a teaspoon of garlic powder, dried basil, dried oregano, and dried thyme. Then I'm adding 2 cans of cannellini beans that have been drained and rinsed, 4 cups of a chicken broth, and then 2 heaping tablespoons of tomato paste, give a good pinch of salt and black pepper, and you could also add some red pepper flakes. All right, after it's been boiling for a while and the vegetables are tender, then you can add your spinach. And I'm just adding a couple big handfuls of spinach. And finally, add 1 cup of heavy cream, or you could also use half and half. And there you have it, a warm and hearty bowl of Tuscan white bean soup that is as comforting as it is delicious. I really hope that you give this soup a try. You will not be sorry. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. God bless, and I'll see you next time.